Work Life Warriors. I hope you're doing well. I just came past to ask one quick question. Have you had your play fixed today? Are you working as hard as you play? Have you laughed today? Have you smiled today? Go out of your way to laugh, to play, to have some fun today because it's your responsibility. And you have one life. So go out of your way to make sure your one life is filled with all the things that you like, even if that means you have to bring them into your existence yourself. You want to live and not just exist. You want to play as hard as you work, and you want to improve the quality of your well-being and the overall quality of your life. And you do that through play. Play is a biological need. It is a need we need right after food and water, sex, and sleep, or food and water, sleep, and sex, and then play. So we want to go out of our way to make sure that we're satisfying our biological needs so that we can self-actualize as higher beings who are enjoying this one experience, this human experience that we're having. So please go out of your way, manage your stress, play your stress away, and share with me below how it made you feel. I hope this helps, Work Life Warriors. Have a great day.